Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can switch servers in League of Legends. So I will be using emulator to show this process, but you can use your mobile device as well, as it is the same process. So first of all, you'll have to launch Mobile Legends, and then from the home menu, like the home screen, you'll have to click on your profile, and then you'll see a bunch of options at the left side, and you'll see account. So press on that. So on the right side, you'll see three options: account center, switch account, and advanced server. So previously, in the previous game versions of League of Legends, there was another button called switch servers, which players could simply press and change their server by selecting any other server that is located nearer them. But right now they have updated the game and changed this feature. So right now you can do the advanced server. So what is advanced server? Press on that. So if your account level is higher than level 15 and your internet connection is stable, every Thursday they will give you a chance to apply for advanced servers, which 40,000 players will get from 50 to 100 servers to choose from. So after you get the advanced server and you are selected, you can then tap on the switch server. The button will be available again. The switch server button will be available again, and you can switch between your server and advanced server like that. So this is how you can switch server in League of Legends now. The previous method doesn't work anymore. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.